This is a new park, and I've never seen it. Tuen Mun Park Children's Playground. Well, good on them. It's a new thing. A lot of people. This is a very traditional Chinese game. You kick it. I don't know what's that called, but yin in Cantonese. The traditional game that you just kick it to each other. You can use your feet, your heel, or even your hand, I saw. Yeah, so we wear clothes, red color clothing, and I do have that inside like that. Red color attract good luck, and we do that throughout the Chinese New Year. At least for 7 days we wear red color to attract good luck and fortune, good health, whatever that we wish to receive. Younger generations will receive red pocket money if you're not married, but if you are the youngest generation but you're married, you don't receive anything, and you have to give to whoever is younger or unmarried. So I just receive it from my cousins. I mean one cousin, because he's older than me and he's married, and I don't give to anyone because I'm not married. A lot of renovations have been done. First time after a long time. Don't know what they're doing there. So we normally eat afternoon tea instead of dinner. We have good food here, so we don't have to cook by ourselves. It's even cheaper to eat outside. We don't have a lot of plants, trees, grass. It is illegal to pluck any grass, illegal to pluck the leaves, let alone flowers. And that is our national flower of Hong Kong. Yang in Cantonese. I'm not sure. Oh, I was corrected that it is not the national flower, but it looks like it. Okay, I'll show you next time if I see it. I'll have to find out what's the name in English. We cannot pluck anything. We got birds. I saw a peewee. Normally we have sparrow, nothing else, but I just saw it. It's behind this bush. Yeah, no, this is not a peewee. It's a black and white something, like a waggy tail, but I can't tell. Yeah, lots of renovations have been done. It's illegal to pluck, so do not do that. Otherwise you have to pay $1,500. Not only for the plants, grass, tree, flowers, but also you can't spit, and you can't... Oh, there's a sparrow. Oh, two. They try to get through the fence. And also you can't throw rubbish onto the ground. See, we don't have any rubbish. Nothing. No rubbish. Except leaves. Nothing. Because it's illegal to litter. We have to pay fine again. Every single item, $1,500 penalty. We have high-rise buildings, we don't have house. And that is the end of the railway station. That's the end of it. It's called Tuen Mun Station. The railway system in Hong Kong is #1 in the whole world. Metro Transit Railway, MTR, is the name of the company. Monopoly. Whole Hong Kong transportation system. The underground network is busier than on the ground. So you saw a lot of people, huh? Wearing red color. This is the Tuen Mun station. And I observed one thing, that people do not cross the road when it is not green for pedestrian. They don't jaywalk. We'll see whether you can see it. Red color again. And this taxi is new. Started 4 or 5 years ago. We have big buses, 2 stories. The design is UK design, United Kingdom, British. And this, I don't know what to call that. It's like a river, but it's not. It was very dirty, but now way better. It was very nasty, unbearable to walk, but now it's fine, it's not that nasty. And I saw another thing, Tesla. Some Teslas, they don't have the logo in the front, and they have purple color, green color Tesla. See, no one jaywalk. See, no one. They all wait until it's green. Hi, they are JW or Mormon. I think Mormon. They have the badge. Whatever sister or elder. Oh, this is a hotel. Oh, it's new. Oh wow, it's homeless squatting ground. Not much rubbish on the walking path, but I can see quite a few here in the bush grass plants area. This is new. It wasn't here 7 years ago. Yeah. Not sure where we're going. Okay, we're turning back to this way. Hey, this is Yangji Ma. Is it? Yes, I think so. This is the national flower. Okay, zoom in. Yeah, that is National flower of Hong Kong. Maybe we'll go inside and have a look. We're just having a look here. What's this? Okay.